The universe is unimaginably big. Looking up at the night sky, we see a peaceful, shimmering curtain of stars. But that peace is actually a haunting mystery. In our galaxy alone, there are up to 400 billion stars. For every grain of sand on every beach on Earth, there are 10,000 stars out there in the cosmos. Science tells us that many of these stars have planets, and many of those planets are Earth-like. If life is a natural consequence of physics and chemistry, the universe should be screaming with noise. It should be teeming with civilizations, Dyson spheres, and galactic empires. But instead, we hear nothing. Just a cold, dead silence. This is the Fermi Paradox. Today we're going to dive into the dark possibilities of why we are seemingly alone, and what it means for the future of humanity. One of the most chilling explanations for this silence is the concept of the Great Filter. Think of the timeline of life as a series of levels in a video game. To become a spacefaring civilization, life must pass through several incredibly difficult steps. The jump from non-living matter to single-celled organisms. The evolution from simple cells to complex ones. The development of intelligence and tool-using capabilities. Finally, not destroying yourself with your own technology. The filter is a step so difficult that almost no one passes it. The terrifying question for us is, where is the filter? Option A, the filter is behind us. This is the optimistic view. Maybe the jump from bacteria to complex life is so rare that we are the first to ever do it. We are the winners of the cosmic lottery. Option B, the filter is ahead of us. This is the nightmare scenario. It suggests that every time a civilization reaches our level of technology, discovering nuclear power or artificial intelligence, it inevitably destroys itself. If this is true, our end is near, and the silence we hear is the graveyard of those who came before us. But what if the universe isn't empty? What if it's just quiet? In Liu Cixin's famous dark forest theory, the universe is compared to a dark forest at night. The forest is full of hunters, but everyone is staying silent. Why? Because in a universe with finite resources and infinite expansion, any civilization you meet could be a threat. If you find another life form, you don't know if they are peaceful or hostile. But you do know that if they become more advanced than you, they could destroy you. Therefore, the safest logical choice for any advanced civilization is to stay hidden, and to eliminate anyone who makes too much noise. In this scenario, humanity is like a child in the woods, screaming, "Here I am," while the grown-ups are hiding in the shadows, terrified of being heard. Maybe we haven't found them because we are looking for the wrong things. We are looking for radio waves, but an advanced civilization might use technologies we can't even dream of, like quantum entanglement or gravity waves. Or perhaps there is the zoo hypothesis. Highly advanced aliens might be watching us right now, but they have a prime directive not to interfere until we reach a certain level of maturity. To them, we are just a biological experiment or a nature preserve. Then there's the simulation theory. If a civilization becomes powerful enough, they wouldn't need to colonize the physical galaxy. They would build a matryoshka brain, a computer the size of a solar system, and live in a perfect virtual paradise. Why travel thousands of years through cold space when you can live in a perfect digital utopia? Whether the universe is empty or full of hidden hunters, the reality remains the same. For now, we only have each other. The silence of the universe doesn't have to be depressing. It can be a call to action. If we are truly the only ones who can appreciate the beauty of the stars, then we have a moral responsibility to survive. We are the universe's way of experiencing itself. We are a young species barely out of our cradle. Perhaps one day we will be the ones to break the silence. We will be the ones who fill the void with music, art, and light. But until that day, we keep looking up, keep wondering, and keep hoping that somewhere out there, someone is looking back at us. Stay curious. The stars are waiting.